In this video, I will show you how to create a Discord server. Now, to create a Discord server, which is like a group, you need first to tap this three-line menu, then tap this plus button to start making your server. And on this screen, you can use your own style or use these templates to create your server. The next thing is to choose your server audience, friends, or community. Then go on to upload your server avatar and also add your server name. And after that, you can add a topic and your server will be ready. And if you tap this other three-line menu, you can invite friends to your server, personalize your server, and also chat with your friends. And on this server homepage, you can create text or voice channels and also invite members to your server. And you can always go to your members' profiles and manage the activities on your server. And if you go to your server profile, you can create events, categories, and also channels. You can also edit your server profile, invite members, upload emojis, and also make some more settings. And if you want an enhanced server experience, you need to tap this boost button and choose your preferred neutral or boost plan. And to delete your Discord server, you need to go to your server settings, then tap these three dots and then delete your server. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Discord and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.